Hey YouTube, and thank you for watching Junkworks DIY Garage. Well, now it's starting to stick. I am trying to make some heavier grit sandpaper for my DA. Normally I don't use this heavy of a grit, so I'm not going to go buy a bunch of it. And quite honestly, I have a bunch of these that I got free at a garage sale that don't really no longer have any stick to them. I'm going to try heating it up, see if I can redo it, but if not, we're going to use some adhesive spray, which hopefully isn't too strong. They actually have a tack spray that's made for old sandpapers. I don't even know if you can buy that anymore. This is what I'm talking about. This is an old sandpaper, also got free, probably in the same thing at a garage sale. But it just has a paper backing on it, and it used to be they didn't come with sticky stuff on the back. When I first started the paper, I still have some of it, and it doesn't have the sticky stuff on the back. I don't know if you can buy it that way. I would assume you probably can still buy it that way, but you had to spray adhesive it and then stick it on. Or a lot of the sanders came with ways of hooking it on either end, but there was a problem with them kind of wanting to wad up. But that's not what we're looking at today. Today we're looking at, on a budget, free at a garage sale sandpaper, trying to make it work with the DA. So you know, you can kind of look other places. Kind of a waste of paper, although I will take this, probably fold it in half, see if I can get it to stick on itself, and I'll have a nice little sanding something or another that it'll fit in all kinds of places. But anyhow, so I'm going to go ahead and heat this up, see if we can reconstitute it. Also free at a garage sale, believe that one. I'm not even sure what kind it is. It feels like a fairly decent DA. But I use this one for body work and places where I don't care as much because it's got a harder pad on it. This is not what I would finish with, is what I'm saying. Regardless, I'm going to heat that up. I can already tell that's feeling pretty sticky. A little bit of gook in here. That's alright. And I'm going to get that on there. I cut it fairly close to the edge. I probably should have left a little bit more. But like I said, I'm doing grinding on some body filler with this, and it's actually the fiberglass body filler. Anyhow, if you want to go see what I'm doing with this, I have a big rust hole in my Jeep and I'm fixing it, so you can go check out that video. That appears to have worked. It's actually on there almost better, and I'm hoping it doesn't stick to this and not come off, but we shall see. So no need for the spray glue. I was hoping this would work. That is more what I was doing this video for. If you got some old sandpaper you get free at a garage sale, or has just been sitting around your garage forever because you used to do body work and now you haven't done it in a long time, you can reset up that glue with a little bit of heat. Alright, thanks for watching Junkworks DIY Garage, where I'm proud to say I'm a jack of all and master of none. You all have a good one.